So this is what I've put together with AI's help. I took my slides and it helped me create some new slides. So um, smart payment strategies for college, walking through these four pillars, as I like to call them. So we're going to look at how do we maximize our assets, make sure we're using them wisely, and the timing of that. 529s we'll go through pretty deeply because that's most of you have probably accumulated in them, but you haven't distributed from them. So focusing more on how to utilize that through college, and also other assets you might want to consider. How do we maximize cash flow? Just thinking through, what can we cash flow through college? Because the vast majority of people have not saved for the entire college bill. If you're fortunate to be in that position, great. But most people, cash flow is a big part of it. So we'll walk through how to do that. We'll walk through the lending, a smart lending strategy. So how to structure that, how to think about that, the maximums, all that kind of stuff, and when. And then the comprehensive planning. So we'll go through these pieces, but really, how do you put it all together? And then have a 4-year plan to pay for all 4 years down to the penny, including if you need loans, what types of loans, and what are the payments when you're done. So that's a key element that I think nobody's nobody's pre-approving that. But if you see my little logos, it's college pre-approval everywhere. That's the part where, hey, if we put all this together and there's still a big gap, do we make this decision or do we try to find an alternative?